Embark.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to introduce you to Embark.com, which is an online platform that connects service professionals with potential customers. It allows individuals or businesses to find and hire local professionals for various services, including home improvement, pet care, tutoring, and more. Users can submit a job request on Embark.com and service providers in their area can respond with quotes and proposals. The platform aims to simplify the process of finding and hiring trusted professionals by providing a centralized platform for both customers and service providers. Bark.com operates in multiple countries and offers a wide range of service categories to cater to different needs. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of bark.com. In our top left, we have explore. You can explore the services, you can see all. As you can see here, you have some categories: business, events and entertains, health and wellness, house and home, lessons and training, and so on. And also you have here some popular services, as you can see: dog and pet grooming, dog training, dog walking, life coaching, limousine hire, magician, private investigators. So you have all kind of jobs right here. And if you want to find the perfect professional for you, you can just type the service that you are looking for and post code and type your zip code or your postcode right here and hit search. So as you scroll down, you can see the available online freelancers. As you can see here, you have some counseling. You can see the available online counselors and the available online personal trainers and the house cleaning and so on. And here you can have the sites that trusted this platform. You can also discover some categories like home and garden, health and well-being, and you can view all the jobs that exist in this platform. So let's go back, and if you already have an account, you just hit login. If not, you can hit join as a professional, and it will take us to this page where we can create our account. So here you can type the service that you provide. So let's go with house cleaning. Wait for it to load. As you can see, where would you like to see leads from? Tell us the area you cover so we can show your leads for your location. So you need to enter your postcode, and I serve customers within, and choose the space that fits you. So you can choose from 1 mile to 15 miles. So I'm going to enter my postcode and hit next. So after typing your information, guys, this is the page that shows up. As you can see, just wait for it to load, and you have here, and here you have some job posted. So as you can see, you have here some house cleaning, you have the address, the number, the Gmail, and here you can just hit contact Jason to contact the employer, and you can hit not interested if you're not interested in the job. And here, as you see, you can be the first one to respond to this job. So here you have the description of the job, you have the details, you have the number of bedrooms you have, the bathroom, what type of cleaning he would like. So as you see, no one has responded yet, so you need to take the speed and answer to the job. Here you have another one in the house cleaning, another one. So as you see, guys, you can find a lot of jobs in this platform. So you can just hit contact Jason to contact. So first of all, to contact Jason, you need 6 credits to contact him. So first of all, you will need to buy 15 credits, which is enough for about 10 leads, and lead prices start from 2 credits, which is 3.220 pounds. So you need to know, guys, that this platform only works in the United Kingdom. It's not available in the other countries for now. So to be able to contact the job poster, you need to buy 15 credits. So this is how you can buy it. You type your credit number and your credit information, then you hit confirm payment. And if you don't want to proceed, you can just hit cancel. So here you will have your dashboard. So you can see everything you need to find in your dashboard. You can see your leads, the leads that are available. You can view them from here. You can see the number of the leads. You can see the lead settings. You can change the services. As you see, you can see also your location and the estimated leads that you can get per day. Also, they have the starter pack offer, the one that I showed you before, where you can buy 50 something. I don't remember what they call that, 50 stars, I guess, or something like that. And here you can see your leads. So we wait for it to load. You can see the leads that are available, the one that we saw before. And here you can see your responses, if someone responded to your messages, and if someone wants to hire you. So as you see, we have no responses yet. And here you can see the settings. If you want to change your information or your profile, or to update your account, or if you want to integrate some of those platforms like HubSpot or Zapier, and if you want to add your credits and payments processors, and here you can see your notifications from your email and so on. And here if you need to get help with anything, or you want to ask about anything regarding the platform. So we wait for it to load. So as you see, you have the FAQs and you have the popular FAQs that were asked before. And here you can see if you want to refer a friend, and you can get money by referring your friends. So let's see how it works. So this is how you refer a friend. You can just read this, and you will know how much you can get paid after referring a friend. So this is it, guys, for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.